Soan Papdi is not just an Indian dessert. It's an emotion. It's a nostalgia. It's a reminder that Diwali is round the corner. So come, let's make it together. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Soumya. Take 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or desi ghee in a pan or a kadai, whatever you're using. Then take 1 cup of refined flour or maida, also half cup of chickpea flour or besan. This is the same bowl I've measured maida with. Now roast both refined as well as chickpea flour together or maida and besan until they change the color to golden brown. Give some pressure and roast like this so that there are no lumps in them. This process will take around 10 minutes and very soon the flour will change the color to golden brown. See, like this. So keep it aside and now here comes a very crucial step. So please pay attention guys. We are gonna make a sugar syrup or chashni. So take 1.5 cups of sugar and just half cup of water. So the quantity of sugar has to be equal to the total quantity of flour we took. Remember we have taken 1 cup of refined and half cup of chickpea flour, which means 1.5 cup of total flour. So that's why we'll take 1.5 cup of sugar and then only half cup water just to cover up the sugar. Then please don't stir it. Let the sugar melt on its own on lowest heat. Now see, sugar has completely melted. So let's check the consistency. So take few drops of sugar syrup and drop it in a bowl of water. See, the syrup is not holding any shape. So let it boil further. Now it's been 7 more minutes and let's check it now. See, it has started holding a shape, but still we want it to be a bit more firm. And also, it should not be transparent like this. So let's wait for 5 more minutes. Alright guys, now this looks perfect to me. It has got this gorgeous caramel color which is required for this recipe. So let's check the consistency also. See how nicely I'm able to give it a firm shape and even when I'm stretching, it's holding the shape perfectly. See, like this. So our sugar syrup is absolutely ready now. Now take a non-stick pan or a silicone sheet or a stainless steel plate like this and grease it generously with some clarified butter or ghee. Then pour all the sugar syrup directly on the plate. Be careful guys, it's bubbling hot at this stage. So let it cool down for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes you will see that the syrup has taken the shape of the vessel and is not moving much. Now start bringing the syrup in the middle with the help of a spoon or a spatula like this. So bring all the syrup together in a form of a dough. And guys, this is an absolute fun. Such a creative recipe. I mean, I haven't made anything like this till date. Now knead this sugar dough just once or twice and then start stretching it like this. So see, you need to stretch and fold like this. Keep doing this for at least 20 to 25 times until it becomes all glossy and golden. I know you have to be a bit patient here, but trust me, the result would be worth the wait. Look at this beautiful glossy finish. Now stick both the ends of the dough like this and then start drizzling the roasted flour mixture. There we go. Now, without putting much pressure, stretch the dough along with the flour. I mean, keep spreading the flour on the sugar dough and keep stretching the dough like this. Stretch it and bring it back like we are making number 8. Remember, the dough should not break, so don't put much pressure on it. And very soon you will get these gorgeous fine flakes like candy floss. See, I'll show you. Guys, I can't believe I did this. Alright, now I have taken a mold tray. This is basically a round shaped ice tray and I'm gonna put some chopped pistachios in each mold followed by some strands of saffron or kesar. Saffron is optional guys. Now fill in each mold with the mixture of flakes we made and that's it guys. We have achieved what we wanted. Trust me, you will not be able to believe that you have made these Soan Papdis at home. These fresh Soan Papdis melt in your mouth like anything. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. See ya. Bye bye.